This video demonstrates the functions of 11.5-inch car radio for the Honda CRV. First, let's look at the music function. Here, you can play local playlists. Tap here to enter DTS. There are various preset music styles to choose from. You can also fine-tune these presets or create your own unique music style. This is the sound field control. Move the icon to different positions to experience different music listening effects. Next is the video function. It supports up to 4K video playback. You can download your favorite movies in advance and watch them for entertainment during your leisure time. You can also turn on split screen mode to freely combine screen content for a diverse experience. The bottom shortcut bar displays time, weather, apps, etc. You can also replace them with other apps according to your preference. Then there's the radio function. It supports FM and AM playback and also provides you with multiple popular channels. If you like other channels, you can long press an unwanted channel here to replace it. In the air conditioning function, you can rotate the knob to quickly turn on the air conditioning or press on OFF to turn it on. After the air conditioning starts, rotating the knob can adjust the fan speed and temperature. Pressing the knob can switch between fan speed and temperature. Turning on SYNC allows you to adjust the temperature of the left and right air outlets simultaneously. This is AC on. You can also turn on AC with a physical button. These are the left and right window heating and rear window heating functions. This is the front window ventilation. These are to adjust the air outlet direction. This is the air conditioning automatic mode. This is the internal and external circulation mode switch. The air conditioning temperature can also be adjusted by touching the screen. Next is app usage. When your car radio is connected to the internet, you can use popular apps like YouTube, Spotify, and Netflix. Then there's CarPlay connection. Turn on the car's Bluetooth and your phone's Bluetooth. Then tap Search to search for your phone's Bluetooth. Find your phone's Bluetooth name and connect to it. After the Bluetooth connection, it will automatically jump to CarPlay. Then there's Android Auto connection. Turn on the car's Bluetooth and your phone's Bluetooth. Then tap Search to search for your phone's Bluetooth. Find your phone's Bluetooth name and connect to it. After the Bluetooth connection, it will automatically jump to Android Auto. Original car door switch display. Steering wheel control of media volume. Steering wheel left and right control of music up and down tracks. Bluetooth phone answering. Return to the previous page. Original car right view camera display. Press the camera icon on the right side of the steering wheel, and the radio will automatically switch to the right side view. This enhances your safety during turns. If the image does not appear after you press it, it may not be set to be turned on. You can find link to the turn signal according to the video and select to turn on the function.